Have you ever thought about which strategy uses the simplest method to achieve profits? Have you come to any conclusions? In this video, I'm going to teach you a strategy that utilizes two very simple and free indicators from TradingView website, and we aim to achieve some good profits with this straightforward strategy. Keep in mind that this strategy is not very complex and is not meant to confuse you, so please watch it carefully once. First, we need to enter the TradingView website and then select our symbol. Remember to choose a symbol that has appropriate price fluctuations, not too high and not too low. After selecting your symbol, we need to go to our time frame and choose a time frame for this strategy. I recommend selecting a time frame suitable for scalping strategies. I suggest choosing the 5-minute time frame, as I have been able to achieve very good results with this strategy on this time frame. Next, we need to add the first indicator to this strategy. For this, we go to the indicators section and type in the search box breaks and retest with volatility stop. Now we need to find it and add it to our chart. Now you'll see how our chart has changed after adding this indicator. To optimize it, we need to enter the settings of this indicator and apply the changes you see. Now that we have made all the changes correctly, we need to know where we can use this indicator. This indicator shows its usefulness when the price reaches support or resistance levels, and it's at these points we should pay special attention to this indicator. As you can see, this indicator shows you points as breaks and points as retests, which you can use to enter your trades. However, be careful. If you are a high-risk trader, you can enter trades just by seeing break signals on the chart. But if you are a risk-averse trader, try to enter buy or sell positions only after seeing retest signals. For example, you can see at this point on the chart that traders who wanted to enter a trade upon seeing the break signal were able to make good profits from this trade. However, at the same point, those who were looking for retest signals missed out on this opportunity and couldn't gain good profit from this strategy. Conversely, at this point, you can see that those who entered trades upon seeing the break signal and placed their stop loss in a safe zone ended up hitting their stop loss and incurred a loss. In contrast, those traders who entered trades upon seeing the retest signal here were able to make good profits without incurring any losses. In general, if I want to explain how this indicator works, I should say that this indicator shows important levels on the chart as support and resistance levels where price reacts upon reaching them. This reaction is such that it either breaks through the level or upon reaching the level reverses back and performs the opposite of its previous trend. For instance, you can see that at this point we have an important resistance level indicated by this indicator. Now at this point, this candle has broken through this level upwards and created a break signal for us. Usually after breaking a level, this indicator assumes that the price will return to that level again. So the candles that return to the level is considered a retest signal, and here it tells us that we can confidently enter our buy trade after seeing this signal and make good profits. We can observe examples here based on the explanations I have given you to see how much we can trust this indicator. Now we should remember that this indicator might also mislead us at times. Therefore, in order to reduce our mistakes, we should add a second indicator to our chart. To do this, we go to the Indicators tab and type corrected QWMA. When we find it, we click on it to add it to our chart. Now we need to change the settings of this indicator. For this, we enter its settings section and make some adjustments. Please pay close attention to this part and ensure you do it correctly. Now you should know how to use this indicator. We use this indicator to identify the overall market trend. When the line of this indicator is green and all the candles are above this line, we consider the trend to be bullish. At these points, we can take advantage of price increases in the market and make good profits. Conversely, when the line of this indicator is red and the candles are below this line, we understand that we are in a bearish trend and we can look for sell trades at these points. In general, when the line of this indicator changes from red to green, we realize that our bearish trend has ended. Conversely, when the line of this indicator changes from green to red, we can understand that our bullish trend has ended. Now that I have taught you how to use these indicators, I need to show you how to combine them and teach you how to find entry points, where to set your stop loss, and where to choose your take profit. But before that, I want you to take a look at the channel because I have created many strategies with different win rates and explained them to you in detail. First of all, we start with buy orders. We need to ensure that we are in an uptrend. To do this, we should find points on the chart where the QWMA indicator line is green and the candles are above this line. After that, we need to find a point where a resistance level has been broken, giving us a break signal. Now you can consider your entry point right here, or you can wait and consider the retest point as your entry. The choice is yours. Once we find the entry point, we can identify the last swing low and set our stop loss slightly below it. Now we can enter a buy trade and set our risk to reward ratio as 1 to 1.5 for take profit, and wait for our trade to close with profit. For sell orders, we first need to ensure that we are in a downtrend. After that, we should look for a point where a support level has been broken downwards, creating a bearish break signal for us. As I mentioned, we have two choices for entering the trade here. One is to enter upon seeing the break signal, and the other is to enter upon seeing the retest signal. The choice is yours. Once we find a suitable entry point, we need to set our stop loss slightly above the last swing high. Now we can enter a sell trade and also consider our risk to reward ratio as 1 to 1.5 for take profit, and wait for our trade to close with profit. We can see examples below where trades have been entered using both methods. Well friends, this is the simple and effective strategy you learned today. Remember to always practice on a demo account before using any strategy and make sure you have mastered it well. Also, never forget about your risk and money management rules, as this is the most crucial aspect of any successful trade. I would be happy if you use this strategy and achieved good results. If you're looking for more ways to improve your trading, be sure to check out these two other videos. You will learn new strategies that will help you operate more professionally in the market. So don't wait, choose one of these videos right now and let's get started.